Hello, welcome to Juniper Level Botanic Garden, the home of Plant Delights Nursery. I'm hoping that you can enjoy the fragrance of this winter Daphne from home. It's one of the most delightful fragrances in the winter garden, at least one of my favorites. It's a sweet lemony smell, sort of like, I don't know, somebody's baking a lemon meringue pie in the oven. Daphne odora is a small evergreen shrub. This is about as tall as it grows. And this is a relatively new selection. A local nurseryman selected this one. He named it Wild Winter. There are a number of variegated selections of winter Daphne, but Wild Winter has these more narrow leaves with a cream margin on the leaves. The stems that have put all their energy into flowering are not as well closed as these new stems, but once they are done blooming and put out new growth, the whole plant will be well clothed with new foliage. And look, some of the leaves have a white center rather than a margin. That's very interesting. Several people recently have asked me why winter Daphne odora, is hard to grow. I don't think it's hard to grow, but it tends to be a short-lived plant. Short, maybe 8 years, 10 years, 12 years, maybe a little bit longer. And then, somewhat facetiously, I like to say it wakes up one morning and decides today's the day that it's going to die, and it dies very quickly. And there's no halting that. But until then, it's one of the easiest plants to grow because it prefers shade over hot sun. It needs good drainage. You plant it, you water it, and you probably have nothing to do as far as maintenance for the rest of its life. The stems are permanent, so it doesn't need renewal pruning like a forsythia or a hydrangea or similar shrubs. And just enjoy it. It's, because it is so slow growing, the little plants in garden centers can be pricey, but if you think you're going to get, let's say 8 or 10 or 12 years out of it, I think it's not all that expensive. And, you could plant a new Daphne odora, every few years, so you have a series of them coming on. If you want to maybe extend its life, just make sure it has super good drainage. But then, enjoy it while you can. I wouldn't want to garden in this time of year without its beautiful fragrance. Now, the camera person noticed this odd growth on this Daphne. This stem is fasciated, which is a big word to, for this kind of situation where the stem has broadened and flattened out and almost become fan-like, and up towards the top of the stem, it's becoming sort of crested, twisted, sort of like the flying dragon trifoliate orange. So it'll be interesting to see if it maintains this habit. Fasciation can occur in quite a few shrubs. I don't think anyone fully understands what causes it to assume this growth habit, but it can be fascinating. Well, Daphne odora is a great plant to add to the winter garden. It's hardy in Zone 7B. Our winters are now a bit warmer. We're now Zone 8A, and so that sails through the winter without any damage. Again, it's one of the most delightful fragrances this time of year. And if you like to propagate plant, you can root it fairly easily. But again, that cutting is just going to be a small plant for its first 2-3 years of life. Well, thank you very much for your time today, and I hope to see you again in the garden.